Apple released iOS 26.3 and iPadOS 26.3 on February 11, 2026, fixing 40-plus security vulnerabilities, including a critical zero-day in the dialed component that was actively exploited. The update patches CVE 2026-27A2, a memory corruption flaw discovered by Google's threat analysis group. Since Dial Dynamic Link Editor manages system libraries, improper state handling allowed memory corruption and possible arbitrary code execution. This makes iOS 26.3 an important security update. If you've updated to iOS 26.3, good news, Jailbreak Tweakmaster is still compatible. To install it, open Safari and search Jailbreak Tweakmaster Guide. Open the official source, tap Install, and allow the profile. Then go to Settings, General VPN and Device Management, install the profile, and launch the app to access Cydia Lite, Sileo Lite, and customization tools. Subscribe for more iOS security and jailbreak updates.